following is a real case study showing the power of eFit Simulator by TUKA in conjunction with TUKA Design to help a company deliver a good first sample to their client. We were provided with a spec sheet, sketch, and a fabric swatch, and we tested the pattern using eFit Simulator. The process begins in TUKA Design, where we make the 2D flat pattern from a basic block. Next, the file is exported into TUKA's eFit Simulator software. Now that all our pattern pieces are imported into eFit, we next open up the fit model. The fit model's measurements are the exact specification that the company has ordered. Next, we electronically stitch the garment and assign the physical properties of the fabric. The purpose of doing all this is so we don't have to cut and sew an actual sample garment to see what the garment is going to look like and also how it's going to fit. The process you see here is called 3D virtual draping. This is where all the elements come together and fall onto the body. Once we've tested the simulation, we can then apply the fabric swatch, or the actual color of the fabric, onto the pattern pieces. And after we simulate this, we are next going to apply animation to see what the actual garment is going to do with physical movement. As you can see here, the garment is too big for the model. We wouldn't have known this until we actually started applying movement to the fit model and the garment together. So now we know we can make our corrections back in TUKA Design. So we go back into the TUKA Design pattern file, and we're going to make corrections to the waistband, and also we're going to make corrections here to tighten up the rise on both the front and back. And then we will drape this again and see how it fits, test the fit. Now we're back in eFit Simulator. We can bring the pattern back in and also bring back all the stitch and pattern property information as well. So with a couple of clicks on a few buttons here in eFit, we can quickly re-simulate the garment and see what our second sample is going to look like. And after we apply animation to test the fit, we can see here that the garment is now fitting much better than the first sample. eFit has powerful tools such as tension mapping to determine tight and loose areas. You see here in the red is the tight and the green and blue are the loose areas. Also, an X-ray view is provided to see how the lining of the garment